Imagine your AI model spewing hate speech or leaking sensitive data because a hacker tricked it with a poisoned prompt. That's the nightmare of unprotected LLMs. Our pack crushes these threats with advanced content filtering using regex and NLP hybrid models, real time prompt injection detection via entropy analysis, output validation frameworks with schema contracts, and Prometheus based monitoring with anomaly alerts. This isn't just for AI engineers. ML specialists, data scientists, and tech leads building production systems all need these shields. Don't wait for your model to go rogue. Unless you enjoy explaining data breaches to your CEO. Here's what's inside the AI Safety and Guardrails pack. First, content filtering with trainable classifiers for toxic language. Next, prompt injection defense using AST parsing to block jailbreak attempts. Then, output validation with JSON schema enforcement and redaction pipelines. Add continuous monitoring via metrics dashboards, tracking latency spikes and bias drift. Finally, incident response playbooks with automated containment protocols. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Security isn't a feature, it's the foundation. Installing the AI Safety and Guardrails pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add AI Safety-Guardrails-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: filtering modules, detection engines, validation pipelines, and monitoring dashboards. All code templates auto integrate with your next Claude code session. Your AI assistant now knows to block malicious prompts, validate outputs against security policies, and alert you when danger lurks. No PhD required, just type make secure and watch the magic happen. Because safety shouldn't be optional.